Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first I'll just enter here my PIN code, and now just you should go into the settings application, and here scroll down to the lock screen and security section. Now just scroll a little bit more down to the set SIM lock. And here, as can you see, our SIM card is locked, and just to remove SIM pin you should tap here once on the switcher, and then here you should enter your password. In my case that's from 1 to 4, then just tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully removed our SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.